Big round of applause for our chamber orchestra. They've proven that a few strings and a touch of talent can feel more sense than any
Coming up next, we have a special treat. Our Owensboro Middle School Orchestra Quintet. This small but mighty group has been working together to bring a burst of energy and fun to tonight's program.
And in true Halloween fashion, they're here to remind us that music doesn't always have to be spooky. It can be lively, upbeat, and full of dance.
So, if your feet start tapping, don't fight it. Here's our quintet performing Shut Up and Dance.
Thank you.